Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Brenda Kinian entered a guilty plea on September 26, 2018. She was charged with extortion by wrongful use of threatened force, violence, or fear, and aiding and abetting extortion under a pretense of office and employment. According to court documents, she was arrested for a robbery scheme that occurred between April 2017 to May 2018 that involved the A Market in Agate. She lived behind the store and told the owners she could get them FBI protection from further crimes and threats of violence. Kinian unlawfully collected $450,000 from the owners in exchange for their protection. According to court documents, a motion to continue a status hearing for Brenda Kinian was made because, quote, the defendant continues to assist the government on ongoing investigations with the Federal Bureau of Investigation and other federal law enforcement agencies involving public corruption and narcotics trafficking, end quote. As you may recall, the government's confidential source that posed as a drug trafficker in Zonyia Mayor Jesse Blas's case has only been identified as the name Brenda thus far. It was stated in court that she has been relocated for her own safety. In Kinian's case, a motion was made to release the defendant's passport and allow travel twice, the first to Chuk in July 2019 to visit family, and the second on August 1, 2019 to Yap for 90 days for security. Quote, the government believes that a security risk exists for Ms. Kinian and requests the defendant be allowed to travel to Yap and remain there for 90 days unless she is required by the court to appear for a hearing here on Guam, end quote. The latest motion filed on September 30th of this year in her case was for another continued status hearing because Kinian continues to assist the government in ongoing investigations, and the defendant may testify in a criminal case currently charged. Kinian's case was scheduled for February 7th, 2020. Zonyia Mayor Jesse Blas was indicted on September 24, 2019, and arraigned on the same day. KUAM reached out to the U.S. Attorney's Office, and they cannot confirm or deny if Brenda is the informant in Mayor Blas's case, and said, quote, refer to the court documents, end quote. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.